Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Different ways to say you're welcome. No problem.
Thanks.
No problem.
Anytime.
Hey, thank you.
Anytime.
Happy to help.
Thank you.
Happy to help.
Of course.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Of course.
Don't mention it.
Oh, thank you.
Don't mention it.
Not at all.
Thank you.
Not at all.
Sure.
Thank you. Sure.
You got it.
Danny, thank you.
You got it.
My pleasure.
Thank you. My pleasure.
No thanks necessary.
No thanks necessary, ma'am.
No thanks necessary, ma'am.
That's my boy, that's my boy.
It's fine.
Thank you.
It's fine.
Don't worry about it.
Great. Thank you. Don't worry about it.
No worries.
It's nice of you, Billy. Thank you.
No worries. No worries.
You bet.
This. Thank you.
You bet.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. No, I thank you. Thank you very much. No.